everybody. It is nice and bright and early. I'm not dressed. I'm in my pajamas, so no heels. Today I'm having the day off from heels. Okay, just wanted to say hi and huge love to you all. Hope you're all okay. Hope you're all getting through. You know, got through another day yesterday, and oh, I'm so sorry. You know, that we're coping, we're managing all right, that you have everything you need. Not an awful lot to tell you today, apart from we did the pick and mix challenge yesterday, which was great, and I've still got the second part to do today. And we had a great response to that challenge. So a couple of you have picked out your 5 excuse me, items, and of course I said, I'm so sorry, I said that I would also pick one of your 5 to do a challenge with as well. And I tell you what's helpful, by you picking your 5, it's made me add a couple more into my basket, because for instance, so we've got Mindy, who is taking part, and the 5 items she picked out yesterday were die cuts, acrylic paint, embroidery ephemera, vintage ephemera, and coffee dyed paper. So we can't wait to see what you make with those. And then we have Tatty Treasures. She didn't pick her 5 things out, I don't think, or did she? Hang on, did she leave another message? No, she didn't pick 5 out, but she's following along. Then we have okay, Simra, who left a message on here that she said that she found it very relaxing, and she wanted to know excuse me, the stamper that you use to ink the sides of paper, what is an alternative that you can use. Now keep watching, Simra, for my next video, the second part of the crafty pick and mix, because what I will do is I'll show you some alternatives that you can use. And what I might do is give me a thought as to do maybe a question and answers video once a week, where you can ask me questions. I might not be able to answer them all, and if it's things I don't know, I'll find out for you. You know, you can ask questions about things I use, my favorite things, just crafty questions. So keep watching, Simra. I will answer that question in the next video of the crafty pick and mix, because that's a couple of options. Right, okay. Okay, Michelle Summer, she did say hi, but she couldn't do the challenge because her craft supplies are in storage at the moment. Never mind, you know, you can still do this when all of those things come out. And excuse me, thank you for following and watching. Okay, so we've got Creative Hands. Hi, Creative Hands. Thank you for joining us, because I didn't read your name out yesterday. You're a new person that's come along and taken part, so hi, my lovely. And their 5 picks are appliques, lace, bling, cameos, and flowers. That's Nita. So hi, Nita, and can't wait to see what you make with them. Then we have we've got other people leaving messages to say, oh, loved your Ant and Deck tribute. My picks may be weird to you, as I only make cards. I picked tea bags, which is something I'd forgot about, so I'm going to add that in my thing. Tea bags, stickers. This is Liz Nixon, by the way, so sorry. Liz, my picks may be weird to you, as I only make cards. I picked tea bags, stickers, flowers, lady paper, and corrugated paper. So I do have corrugated paper, but I only have coloured, but I still should put it down, really, shouldn't I? But tea bags was another thing I'd forgotten about and must put on there. Just let us know what you've made. We can't wait to hear what you've made with them, even if you can't send a photo, excuse me, and take photos. Just tell us what you made and I'll read it out for you. Right, okay, then we've got Sue Harvey. trying to do your picks, and if I don't have it picking out, oh, she's trying to follow along with my picks, and then if she hasn't got them, she's going to pick out of something out of her. So she's mix and matching. So hang on, what would that be? That'd be a crafty pick and mix and match. Ooh, like that. Okay, so let us know what you do. She said, oh, the only thing she hasn't got is the window sheets, because the kids have been making shakers. So she's picked stamps. So, and I also had, where's my lovely Christine Mortimer? I knew that she'd, right, now Christine Mortimer's also put on here, she's picked out her 5 things. So she's got washi tape, paper, doily stencils, jewels, and coffee filters. Coffee filters I had forgotten about. So, you know, thanks for taking part. I will pick one of you later on in the week to try your 5 things. So keep watching to see which one of you that I pick, and anyone else who wants to take part, you are more than welcome to take part. And I don't know if I've missed anybody. I don't think I have, as far as the 5 things. So I think that that's it for today, but I'm sure we will get more people taking part. So I have to go and finish those. I have 3 more items to still use. I made 1 project yesterday, and I've got vintage fabric, stencils, and Stampin' Up stamp to use. So I'm gonna go and do that now, and I'll post that later. So I will see you all later on today. I might, if I get time today, I might do one of the, you know, we did the list of 22 things. We've got 22 things on the list now of things to do while we're in isolation. I might pick one of the things off of there and do another video if I get time later on. If I get time. We have lots of time. I do have housework to do though, but housework always comes last. Don't tell Charmin. He comes through the door, and 5 minutes before he comes in, I spray some polish and I sweep, and I, you know, but and he comes in and he goes, oh my gosh, it's really nice and clean in here. And all I've done is my daily chores. I haven't really done anything extra. So a thing of spray, and good to go. He's like, oh, it's lovely and clean in here. I'm like, yeah, I'm so tired. I am worn out. All I've been doing all day is cleaning. Fib, 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 Pinocchio. Right, I'm going to go. We're going to do some crafting, Charlie, baby. Yes, we are. Charlie's looking at me with his gorgeous little, cheeky little face. I just want to kiss him. I don't know where Luby. I call him all the time and he never comes. So I don't know where he is. Right, okay, I'm going to get on. You're on my tablet now. What are you doing? He's pressing the tablet. And I shall see you very soon. Take care. Love you. Bye.